The lying pen of the scribes removed God's name out of the Bible over 6,000 times, and they removed our Messiah's name from the Bible as well. Neither is there salvation in any other, for there is none other name under heaven given among men whereby we must be saved. So go search these things out. God's name is Jehovah, and the Messiah's name is Yeshua. This imposter Jesus guy is not God. Jesus is in fact the abomination of desolation. Let no man deceive you by any means, for that day shall not come, except there comes a falling away first, and that man of sin be revealed, the son of perdition, who opposeth and exalteth himself above all that is called God, or that is worshipped, so that he as God sitteth in the temple of God, showing himself that he is God. The Holy Spirit cannot dwell in a defiled temple. Your temple is your heart. John 5:42-43 tells us, "But I know you, that ye have not the love of God in you. I am come in my Father's name, and ye receive me not. If another shall come in his own name, this pagan Roman sun-god Jesus guy, him ye will receive." Come fellowship with us at straightisthegate.net.